Hello, good afternoon people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually in China, more specifically in Foshan, and I'll be taking a train from Foshan to Guangzhou Nan, it's Guangzhou South, and then to Shenzhen North. Then I'll be taking a train, 2 hours train to Chaoshan, which is the HQ and the birthplace of WPL. So very exciting day. I've informed them I'm coming. I've shared a post about me going to visit the WPL HQ, and then for those who have posted your comments and suggestions that you want to ask the boss, people about WPL, we will shoot a video of that. Let's go! We are back at Shenzhen North and we were running like hell just now because the connecting train between, there were 2 trains, the connecting train boarding time was so close to each other, we run like mad, like running for our life. So now Shenzhen North is like the central train station that connects you to many states in China, like Shanghai and Beijing as well. So from here to Shanghai was 7 hours for 700, 800 plus maybe. So I'll grab my lunch, and then in about 40 minutes then we'll be boarding the train to Chaoshan finally. And that's my business partner, Xian. Hello, crazy guy, very sweet mouth one also. Go grab lunch, bye. Cool, these restaurants here looks like some pretty good stuff, except the KFC I believe. So that's my lunch. And I don't think it's worth maybe 59. Everything else in Shenzhen is cheap, but this is for 59. Your one how much? 59. 59 as well, what is it? Chicken is so little, I got a huge bowl of white rice. What the hell? That's how the central station looks like. It's really huge. Now we are in the final train, the 3rd train to Chaoshan. It will be a 2 hours ride. So probably I'll take a short nap or look at the view, since it's going through countryside I believe. Let's take a look. Okay, we have arrived at Chaoshan station, and boss of WPL is here to pick us up as well. So yeah, looking for the way down. Hello, good morning everyone. Well, actually now it's afternoon already. So yesterday I've arrived in Chaoshan station, and then boss of WPL picked me up from the train station, and then went for dinner, and then we visited their office as well. And they revealed some of the upcoming models to me, which I can't show it in this video yet because this will be out in probably about a few months time in April. And some of the very exciting models. I want it, I like it, and then I'm sure you're gonna get all of these models as well. But in this video I'm going to review to you some new products which is going to be released next week. It's one of the upgrades that a lot of people have been, I know some of you have been requesting for it as well. It will make your WPL more realistic, more fun to play. So now currently we are at one of the 4 assembly lines, and because today is Saturday, so not many people. The production line we are going to look at later on is towards the end of finishing the assembly already. Let's go. So it's a bit noisy, so I hope you can hear me later. So just briefly tell you what this is. This is the final assembly line, and then there are the other 2 lines over there, this side and this side. This is where they assemble parts, partly assemble over here. Look. The wheels. So like I mentioned just now, this line is about partly assembling parts, and then this is the line where you do the final assembling everything together. So once the cars are assembled, then this is where you do the final packing over here, packing by yourself as well. WPL also provided a video, and I also attach the video after this. They can see the production line of another assembly line where there are more people and more stuff as well. And let me explain to you how WPL, how this RC car in your hand is being produced. There are two partners. One of it handles the design, the whole concept, and the other handles sales. So the person who handles the design is Mr. Huang. Mr. Huang will monitor, he will tell the designer what kind of concept, how this part is designed, how to take its safety, how it's assembled, because he himself is a hobbyist, RC hobbyist, so he knows how this part should be assembled together, and then he monitor the concept, he'll tell like different parts using different material, how it will be designed, and then once it's designed, once the file is there, and then we'll create the mold. Once the part is created, we'll be gathered in all this basket, okay, and then these are all the simple parts. But for example, if it's a remote controller, okay, it will be assembled first, put on the stickers and everything, and then every part of this will be sent to the warehouse of WPL, and then they do some QC check, and then they decide, okay, for this upcoming batch, how many units you want to produce. Like for example, 1,000 units, they gather all this basket, 1,000 units, and then send it over to one of these assembly lines. It's assembled. Then once it's all assembled, okay, then they'll send back 1,000 units of parts all back to WPL. Yep, these are the stock, okay, assembled, been packaged, and then all put into all these boxes. You can see that there are 8 units each in this box. We send back to the warehouse and then start shipping all over. I'm sure you guys have a concern about QC, how they do QC. Well, they have actually done it here. This part is for functionality QC. And then once it's done, they're all placed here. And then this guy will do exterior QC check before it's being packaged into the box. This is one of the cars they used to send us around and then look at the wheel. Okay, the WPL model RC. Okay, maybe you should ask them to make this sticker for you as well. Hello. So that was the assembly line video, and then now we're at somewhere, I don't know where am I. It's somewhere very deep in China, because they took us to a water dam. After that, we went through very intense forests, we went through some plantation land, and then finally here, it's all off-road with a with a Suzuki 2-wheel drive some more, and good thing that it's dry, so there's still traction, and then we were having fun at one of the spot with the WPL, and then there was one B36 with sound system, as you can see in the video. Opposite I post a fun video where we were driving somewhere deep in the jungle just now, and this is another new spot. It looks like a resort that is probably abandoned, but then we overheard some noise inside there, like people cooking in the kitchen. And there's a small pond here as well. Okay, so I'm going to set up and maybe having fun here with the WPL.